Yeah, what's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today, I heard you guys wanted to be a TARS millionaire. Even though been a lot of people that doubted me, there seems to be a lot more people that has finally taken attention to what TARS has been doing, especially with the latest announcements, which we're going to cover later on in this video, right? This thing has some crazy potential on Solana, and a lot of things is going crazy on Solana, especially because of the fact that there's a potential that we may even get a Solana ETF this year. Who knows? But there's been a filing for a Solana ETF, which now puts the spotlight on the ecosystem. We'll talk about how that ETF basically affects TARS in this video. So before we get into talking about all of that, I would like to ask you guys, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. We're on the road to 20k subscribers. If you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment what you guys think down below, and while you guys are down there, you guys can hit that link to join the Discord to continue the crypto conversation we're having daily, and you guys can ask all your questions on how to get into some upcoming projects, private sales like TARS protocol, because we have gone into TARS protocol, and with a lot of these price predictions that I will be giving you in this video here, we will have made extremely amount of money even if it gets close to those price predictions, right? So you guys can check out the Discord, ask me your questions on how the Patreon works if you guys want to step up your crypto game to the next level, so you guys don't mix the next TARS protocol, of course. And you guys can check out my ebook on the essentials to mastering tokenomics, which will be in the description and in the comment section down below. This will help you out tremendously for this cycle, as tokenomics is very important on how to make a lot of money in this space here. So TARS protocol has been one of those best performing altcoins that we have in our community. Those that got in has been very excited about what the movement that is going on with TARS and the building that is going on with TARS. It is sitting at a $21 million market cap, just at a fully diluted evaluation of 183, right? And as you guys can see, just looking off the max chart, this thing has pretty much been green while Bitcoin has been going down. This is letting you know this has some very strong strength, a big community, those that are holding this up, those that are buying this, and there's a lot to talk about what's going on with TARS, right? So as you guys can see, it came out in May, right? Got down to 3 cents. Bitcoin wasn't looking too strong, and it even got up to about about 25 cents, and Bitcoin still wasn't looking too strong. As you guys are looking at it right now, Bitcoin is around $61,000, and this is still roughly around its all-time high, right? It's not gone down too hard. It has not been really killed by the movement of Bitcoin. So this thing is showing that once Bitcoin starts to pick up and get rid of its little hissy fit that is having, right, and goes back up to 70k, 80k, whatever it is going to go up to, TARS is going to be a strong runner, right? You guys already see 28 cents about 21 days ago, so it's only down 35% from its all-time high. This is a very new altcoin, and a lot of people really doubted it. I've seen some of you guys comment in the comment section down below if it's even backed by Solana, right? Which shows me you guys don't know some of the tools you guys got in your hand. Crypto rank here, you guys can go ahead and just check who has fully invested into this project. Solana Foundation is right now invested into it, and if you guys really wanted to, you guys can actually check out the projects that are invested by Solana's foundation. You guys are looking at Stage, Elixir Game, TARS protocol. So there's a lot of things here that Solana's foundation has invested into. This is another way of doing some research on some good altcoins in the Solana ecosystem. So as I told you guys, there has already been a filing for the first Solana ETF in the US. So how is TARS going to benefit from this? They're going to benefit because of the amount of money that is going to go into the Solana ecosystem. It's going to be very huge, just like we're predicting the amount of money that is going to come into the Ethereum ecosystem with the ETF of Ethereum. Now, the generative AI market is already expected to reach a $1.3 trillion market cap by 2032, right, with a compounded annual growth of 42% over the next decade. So we don't even need to get that far. We just going to see within the next few years here, a lot of movement is going to be happening within the AI industry, and I do believe that a lot of projects are going to benefit off of that. Now, TARS put this out at the start of the month, right? They're starting their biggest growth campaign for the next 60 days. Essentially, they're going to be introducing a new rebrand. As you guys may have already noticed, they have already rebranded, right? Not a rebrand in terms of the name, but in terms of the logo. It seems like just that's it. Then you're going to have the acquisition series. Then you're going to have TAR's incubation program. This is going to be good, right? It's just basically a launch pad. The AI super app, perpetual token burns. We're going to be talking about this because one already happened and is very big for the price predictions that TARs can have, right? Chain integrations, sex listing, regional market expansion, onboarding major partners. They already have some partnerships we're going to talk about as well, right? So looking at the vesting here, there's going to be a new round that is going to be coming out just in 3 days here, July 3rd, July 2nd. This is going to be the next unlock, which is about 22% of the market cap, as you guys can see. So you guys may be looking for a opportunity to buy into it. This may be your opportunity here. Is going to be coming up very soon. If the price dips, we'll see how things react when this actually happens, right? So you guys scroll down, you guys really get to see the vesting and all of that is happening for TARs as of right now. But once again, all you gotta do is scroll down, pick a day on when you think you're going to DCA out the market. I already told you guys exactly. Mine is going to be October. So around October, you're looking at just over 50% of its supply going to be unlocked. So we plug that into the trusty coin perspective here. So now if that was just out right now, that supply by October, that will put it at a $95 million market cap, right? That would just be a 5x to get to about a $521 million market cap. Nothing too crazy. That just puts it at $1, right? You scroll down, you would roughly need just under $200,000 to become a millionaire. That's not happening. A lot of people is not going to have that type of money. So we're going to give you guys some other price predictions on if it's possible or not. You guys will decide. But what else they got going on? Well, they have a partnership with Nimble Network. TARS is teaming up with Nimble to redefine AI development on blockchain. Together, they're going to be creating a permissionless AI order book, leveraging decentralized GPU and data to build and manage verifiable AI models on chain. Then they have a partnership with Web3 Go, which rebranded from Web3 Go to DIN, right? So if you guys don't know about DIN, we did get into the private sale of DIN, right? So together, TARS protocol and DIN are pioneering the integration of AI and crypto, creating a data intelligence network that revolutionizes blockchain powered data flow and AI agent development. And as I told you guys, they do have an incubation program, a launch pad. Their first project is going to be on that launch pad. Is called Dojo GPU. We did get into the private sale of that as well. Dojo protocol. Dojo approach aligns with TARS with the primary goal of bringing more machine learning for AI natively on Solana, right? TARS will offer 1 million TAI to fuel the growth of Dojo's product suite, ensuring rigorous development over the next year. And of course, they will have a staking program. So the staking program will take more tokens off the market, right? So this is going to give it different type of utility. You'll need TAI to essentially get into these upcoming projects that will be on their launch pad, right? So it just gives it a different type of utility, more utility for a project. This is always good as of right now. So let's get into that next price prediction here, right? So if it got to about $1 billion market cap, which is pretty doable, right? That is just a 10x from these prices as of right now, where you will just need just under $100,000 to become a millionaire. Still a lot of money, right? So this is where things get a little interesting for TARS as of right now, because the weekly burns have started. This is going to start to eliminate a lot of tokens off the market, making this very scarce, making it able to get to the next price predictions somewhat easier than what it was before, right? So if more of the adoption happened on Solana and people start to look more into Solana for some AI projects, TARS may be that first one. So TARS has burned $15 million worth of the team's token, 100 million TAI. You look at the burn highlight, 100 million TAI has been burned, 10% supply reduction. That is huge, right? Strengthening the value and trust for TAI holders. Plus, as previously announced, weekly TAI burns will continue with revenue from the TARS Cloud program. So this is going to be big, guys. This now shows you they basically burn $15 million worth of the team tokens. So the team is showing you guys you guys can actually trust these guys. They are building out something really good on the Solana ecosystem here. And then with their TARS cloud program, they're going to be having some weekly TIE burns. Come on, guys. Come on. Let's say this thing now gets to about a $5 billion market cap. That is a 52x from these prices here, where you would need roughly just under $20,000 to become a millionaire. This is fairly doable in some people's wheelhouse, right? But of course, I always got to give you guys a crazy hopium prediction here. Not saying this will happen. This has the potential, but who knows what happens within this market as of right now. If this gets to a $10 billion market cap, you're looking at it at 105x, where you will need just over $10,500 to become a millionaire. Well, just under $10,500 to become a millionaire, right? Now, remember, I told you guys we're in the private sale of this. So if any one of these price predictions really happen, even the first price prediction really happened, we're actually sitting very beautiful, right? If the second price prediction happens, we're just going crazy, right? So this is what I've been telling you guys. If you guys want to step your crypto game up to the next level, you guys got to check out that Patreon group. We get into a lot of plays that have some huge potential in this market. Of course, this is the video for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. We're on the road to 20K subscribers. If you guys want to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.